Priya loved how her new house had so many different places to explore. One afternoon, she went up to the attic to find an old steel trunk lying amidst the dust. She opened it and found an old diary. Curious, she started reading it. She kept reading one entry after another as she turned pages. She read about the plans that the writer had for Holi that year, in which the date, place, and timing of the celebration was decided. She then read about the division of responsibilities for organizing the celebration, some being responsible for decoration, some for food, others for music and entertainment. The next few entries were about the challenges they faced and how the neighborhood and the municipality had a problem with the contribution and the loud music. She then read that as the day neared, people worked together to resolve issues and came together to make the celebration a memorable one. Although all the problems could not be solved, they all had fun that day. Priya closed the diary and wondered that although a diary entry was different from a story, there were a few similarities. While both a story and diary entry could be about a personal experience and mostly narrated in first-person perspective, there were some major differences. The first being, a story is written for readers to read and enjoy. It may or may not be true. It consists of different characters, a problem that needs to be solved, a climax, and a conclusion. It is meant to impact the minds of readers. Whereas a diary entry is about a personal experience and a series of memories put together, which could make it sound like a story, just like the ones we read. A diary entry is meant for no one to read but just the writer. Hence, a diary entry either has no salutation or is addressed to the diary itself. It is always in first-person perspective and reflects the mood and emotions of the writer. It deals with a true personal experience. It is not written for impacting anyone else's mind. The language is simple and informal. A diary must always have the date and reflect the feelings and opinions of the writer. Priya was thrilled to learn so much about diary entries and wanted to maintain a diary herself. She wondered whether you would like to maintain one too. Goodbye.